Okay, this is Wendell Kelch at Kelch Restoration. We're going to do a little tractor school this morning of our own on the Fleming 4 International Harvester 1530. This particular tractor has 7 carburetors. 4 of them was kerosene, 2 of them was water, and one of them was gasoline for starting. So modern times we only use the four bottom carburetors. We're getting ready to start it here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to reach up here and trip this magneto impulse here. Make sure this dog is down so the magneto will click. We're going to reach in here and twist the lubricator here. Book says 100 times, but I usually run a little bit shorter than 100 times. Make sure all the lines are filled. And we'll get in the lid on top here. Make sure the water is basically up 2/3, 3/4 right here. Make sure the water's up. We got the governor here. Pick this up, turn the governor on. The lubricator for the governor. Pull this pin out here. It takes quite a bit of pumping on the fuel. What we're doing now is we're pumping the fuel up to the carburetors, to 4 carburetors. It takes quite a bit of pumping to get all 4 carburetors full. So take the time and make sure all 4 carburetors are full, because it won't start too good if you ain't got fuel in the carburetor. Put the pin back in it here so we don't lose anything. There we go. Now we'll come up to the cab. Bowls here. Make sure it's got fuel running over the dams of the bowls. This is the throttle here. We're going to bring it up probably about 2 notches, and this is the spark here. Put it probably somewhere in the middle. All these tractors are different. This here usually likes about half choke there. And we check, make sure that our 4 compression releases are closed. Then the early ones, they had 1 place to prime, right here in the middle. Mine's a 1919s. It's got 2 places, so we got two priming cocks here. Loosen this one here. Loosen this one here. And when it's cold, it takes quite a bit of juice to fart the first time. And I've generally found that when they're hot, you don't need to prime, just twist it and it'll pop right off. We'll try that. If it don't start, we'll have to give her some more. We always be sure to tighten these down. I've been guilty of forgetting to tighten these down. Make sure it's neutral. Then we'll go down here. When you crank it, we usually start here like the 12 o'clock position. Pull over center like that. Stay clear to crank, and then, oh, like that. this tractor